Good afternoon, I'm the Mainly Digger, and I'm not doing metal detecting in this video. I took my 10-year-old out magnet fishing, and we're having a daddy-daughter competition, and guess who's losing? This guy. Kind of dock hopping around Waterville, different docks, different places, so it's fun. I enjoy it. I'm trying to teach Lulu how to throw, and she's doing really good. She's doing better than I am, so we'll see how this goes. Watch the video. This is good. It's great. It's a good time. So our first stop is the Waterville boat launch, or one of them is right on the Kennebec. I'm gonna take this magnet and throw it a couple times. I need to clean that bad boy off, but yeah. We're not gonna stay long. I'm just taking my eldest out and kind of having an adventure. We both have a day off on this fine Monday, and I'm gonna enjoy it. So just out on the Kennebec River. I haven't thrown it yet, just kind of looking around. Gorgeous spot, even if there's a bridge right there. It's a great day, great fall day, warm. All right, so we're gonna toss this guy right here, see how far it goes. Not very far. Reel it in, see what I got. So yeah, the Kennebec has sturgeon, very large fish. I'm talking to my eldest and whoever's listening. Very large fish. It's very prehistoric looking. So yep, my camera filled up. I have to get a bigger SD card, but pulled nothing in, and we're gonna try again. Except I think Lulu's gonna try. She's dying to try. So we're gonna switch positions. All right, this is not Lulu's first rodeo, so she knows how to throw this. She's got her finger looped in. Lulu, you ready?
Yeah.
Lulu got something. No idea what it is. It's a piece of metal, something we took out of the water, which is good. Cleaning up the earth. Good times. So Lou has got me beat. I gotta go. I have to get something now. Game's on. All right.
You got nothing.
I have nothing. All right. Lulu's second throw of the day. She's reeling it in, or pulling it in. Let's see what she has. Oh. That is, oh, Lulu's got a fishing thing.
Oh.
Very cool.
What a surprise.
So Lulu's got me beat so far. She's thrown it twice. Has gotten two things. So, let me see what I can find here. It's always a good place to get stuff.
I think you should pull it up now.
Okay. Nope. could take a minute. So this is, we're still in Waterville. That's the, I think it's the Waterville Waterworks, I guess is what you can call it. I went here before, metal detecting, but it was too buggy, and I was like, yeah, I'll come back, and I never came back. So we're here magnet fishing again. All right, we are back to the daddy-daughter competition. Lou is ahead of me. I have 0.
2 things.
She has she has found 2 things. So I'll switch spots with you, Lou. Throw when you're ready, Lou. Throw when you're ready. I was not making fun of her for her distance, but she still got more metal than I did, so joke's on me. Oh, I wonder what she has. What'd you get, Lou? What'd you get?
Despite being covered in sand, I got nothing.
Oh, a lot of magnetic rocks. That's about it. That happens.
Magnetic rocks, that's it.
All right, so we're gonna switch. Kind of along the shore and see how it goes. 2, 3.
It dragged the reef along.
I know. Oh, I feel something. Maybe rocks, maybe stuck in a rock. I hope not. That wouldn't be fun. So, we are 2 for 1. 2 for 1 right now. I have a nail or some type of, I don't know what it is. It's metal. So awesome. All right, Lolo, when you're ready. 1, 2. Oh, that was a pretty good throw. What do you have? I'm gonna throw it along those rocks, or along this way right here. Trying to avoid the rocks, because yeah, that wouldn't be good. So add another bolt launch on. This is the Messalonskee stream. We are right next to, across the street from the high school, the Waterville High School. So we'll see how this goes. I have never been here before. It's kind of a cool spot. And we are, Lulu's up by 1, so it's 2 to 1. 2 to 1. We'll see about that. Hold on, this please. 1, 2, 3.
On something.
Oh, stuck on something. Oh, there we go.
Besides sticking to that thing, nothing.
Nothing. We are currently at a different part of the Messalonskee stream, or reservoir stream. A couple of years ago, this was all pretty much dried up, and I walked down that way. Under this dock, I found lots of pennies, lots of change, and lots of fishing stuff. Surprise. So this is attached to my GoPro is attached to my wrist, so I can get a wrist shot cam. We'll see how this goes. If it falls off my wrist, it's bad to jump in. All right. 1, 2, 3. There it goes. See, the one time I do not record, Lulu gets something. So she's got a fishing hook, so I'm not going to let her touch it. I'll touch it, and we'll see how this goes. All right, press the button, Lou, on the top. Another Lou find. So that's 4 for Lou and 1 for Dad. Lulu's winning. It's like a little pin. That's cool. So I was explaining to my eldest earlier that this is fairly shallow, and a lot of people kayak and canoe down this river. So I'm going for the center not river, the stream, down the stream. I'm going for the center of the stream. Hopefully they drop something, who knows? And this is the wrist shot, the wrist cam. I'm worried I'm gonna lose my camera, and it's shallow enough where I'll go in, but it's kind of cold. There we go. Oh, could have gone further, but it didn't. All right. So I have the rusty old remains of a fishing hook. It's pretty cool. All right, let's step away from the edge. Thank you. Scaring me there, kid. All right, so there's a Lulu threw it again. She found a magnet, or she found a key. So that is Lulu's winning without a doubt. All right, button. Again with some fishing line, an old fishing knot or hook. There we go, old fishing hook. Lulu drags in another one with a bolt. That's cool. Lulu scores again with a bottle cap. Good time. Lulu got another one. That's a decent hook too. Lulu's not touching any of this because of the hooks and stuff. So I'm doing it. There's a good little fishing wire right there, or fishing wire. It's awesome. Someone must have been mad when they lost this. So another one for Lulu. I've just given up. I just let Lulu have the magnet and she can throw it around. So she found a screw, which is cool. Something that no one could step on, or someone that, you know, they could step on if they were in the water. So it's kind of why I'm doing this. Awesome. So final countdown, Lou definitely won. So I have two things that I found magnet fishing, and Lou just destroyed it. So some of the stuff like these well, the only thing we're not keeping, but I'm going to put the, not a local, but a log that everybody walks through, so if anyone needs hooks or lures, they can grab it. The rest of the stuff is going in the trash. So Lulu's cool with that, and yeah, it's awesome. My two finds, Lulu's finds. Usually how it goes in my family.